finishing work.
Are you done for today?
Almost.
I just need to finish this task.
Same here.
It's been a long day.
Yes, very tiring.
But we did a lot.
That's true.
I feel productive.
Me too.
Let's finish and go home.
Good idea.
Do you have plans tonight?
Just relaxing.
Same here.
We deserve it.
Definitely.
All right, I'm done.
Me too.
Let's go.
See you tomorrow.
See ya.
Don't forget the meeting.
I won't.
Have a good evening.
You too.
Get some rest.
I will.
Running a meeting.
All right, let's start the meeting.
Is everyone here?
I think we're just waiting for one person.
Let's begin anyway.
Okay, what's the first topic?
We need to talk about the new project.
Do we have a deadline?
Yes, it's next Friday.
That's quite soon.
I know, so we need to work fast.
Who will handle the first part?
I can do it.
Great, thank you.
And who will prepare the report?
I can help with that.
Perfect.
Let's keep clear this week.
Yes, that's important.
We should also have a short meeting tomorrow.
Good idea.
Let's meet at the same time.
That works for me.
Please update everyone by email.
I will send a summary later.
Make sure to include all tasks.
Yes, I'll list everything clearly.
If anyone has problems, speak up early.
Agreed.
We should track progress daily.
Yes, that will help a lot.
All right. Thanks, everyone.
Let's get to work.
Running out of time.
How's your progress on the project?
Not great. I'm running out of time.
Really? What's the problem?
There's just too much to do.
When is the deadline?
Tomorrow morning.
That's very soon.
I know. I'm stressed.
Can I help you with anything?
That would be great.
You can finish the last section.
Okay. I'll do it now.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
Let's try to finish it together.
Yes. Teamwork will help.
We should focus and avoid distractions.
Agreed.
Turn off notifications.
Good idea.
We can still make it.
I hope so.
Let's divide the tasks clearly.
I'll handle the data part.
I'll finish the writing.
Great.
We're making good progress now.
Almost done.
Let's check everything quickly.
All right.
Just a few more minutes.
Yes. We're very close.
We can do this.
Presenting a presentation.
Are you ready for the presentation?
Not really. I'm a bit nervous.
Why? You prepared well.
I'm worried I'll forget something.
That's normal.
Have you practiced?
Yes, a few times.
Then you'll be fine.
I hope so.
Do you want me to listen once more?
Yes, please.
Okay. Start from the beginning.
All right, here it goes.
That sounds good so far.
Really?
Yes. Just speak clearly and slowly.
Okay, I'll try.
Don't rush.
Thanks for the advice.
No problem.
Try to make eye contact too.
That's a good point.
And don't read everything from the slides.
I'll try to explain in my own words.
Perfect.
You're doing great.
I feel a bit more confident now.
Good. That will help.
Maybe I should practice once more tonight.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Also, check your slides again.
I will, just to be safe.
You'll do great.
I hope so.
Making a mistake at work.
Hey, I need to tell you something.
What's wrong?
I made a mistake in the report.
What kind of mistake?
I used the wrong numbers.
That's serious.
I know. I feel really bad.
Did you fix it?
Not yet.
We need to correct it quickly.
Yes, I'll do it right now.
Good.
Should we inform the manager?
Yes, it's better to be honest.
You're right.
Mistakes happen.
I'll double-check everything next time.
That's a good idea.
Let's review it together.
Okay.
We should also check the data source.
Yes, just to be safe.
I don't want this to happen again.
It won't if you stay careful.
Thanks.
No problem.
Let's fix it together.
All right.
We'll solve this quickly.
Don't worry too much.
We can correct it.
I'll send the updated version soon.
Good. I'll review it after that.
Thanks for helping me.
Anytime.
New colleague.
Hi, you must be new here.
Yes, it's my first day.
Welcome. How are you feeling?
A bit nervous, to be honest.
That's normal.
What's your role?
I'll be working in marketing.
That's great.
The team is really friendly.
That's good to hear.
Let me show you around.
Thank you. I'd appreciate that.
Here's the office kitchen,
Nice. It looks great.
and this is the meeting room.
Okay.
You'll sit over there.
That looks comfortable.
If you need help, just ask.
I will, thanks.
Everyone is very helpful here.
That's good.
We also have team meetings every Monday.
That sounds useful.
Don't worry, you'll learn quickly.
I hope so.
You can ask questions anytime.
That makes me feel better.
We also use a chat app for communication.
Good to know.
I'll try to learn everything step by step.
That's the best way.
I'm glad to be here.
We're glad to have you. Scheduling a meeting.
Do you have time for a meeting tomorrow?
I'm not sure. What time?
Around 10 in the morning.
I have another meeting then.
How about the afternoon?
That might work.
What time exactly?
Maybe 2 p.m.?
Yes, that's good for me.
Great.
What is the meeting about?
The new project plan.
Okay, I'll prepare for it.
I'll send you the details.
Thanks.
Please check your email later.
I will.
Should we invite anyone else?
Yes, the whole team.
I'll include them.
Good idea.
Let's keep it short and focused. Agreed.
We should also prepare questions.
Yes, that will help the meeting.
I'll make a short list.
That's helpful.
Let's also share documents before the meeting.
Good idea.
Everyone can read them first.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Taking a break.
Do you want to take a break?
Yes, I need one.
Let's get some coffee.
Good idea.
You look tired.
I didn't sleep well last night.
That's not good.
Work has been stressful.
I understand.
This week has been busy.
Hopefully, it gets easier.
Yes, I hope so.
At least it's almost the weekend.
That's true.
Let's relax for a few minutes.
Yes, we deserve it.
Then we can go back to work.
Agreed.
This coffee helps.
Definitely.
Maybe we should take breaks more often.
That's a good idea.
It helps us stay focused.
I feel better already.
Me too.
A short walk might help too.
Yes, fresh air is nice.
We should go outside for a minute.
Good idea.
Ready to go back?
Almost. Phone call at work.
Hello, this is the office.
Hi, I'm calling about the report.
Yes, how can I help?
I have a question about the data.
Sure, go ahead.
Some numbers seem incorrect.
Let me check that.
Okay.
Yes, I see the issue.
Can you fix it?
Yes, I'll update it now.
Great. Thank you.
I'll send you the new version.
Perfect.
Let me know if there are more problems.
I will.
Thanks for calling.
Thank you.
I'll review it again after you send
That's
it.
a good idea.
We want to avoid mistakes.
Exactly.
I'll double-check everything.
Appreciate that.
Please send it as soon as possible.
I will.
I'll also update the team.
That's helpful.
Good communication is important.
Yes, it really is.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Checking emails.
Did you check your emails today?
Not yet. There are too many.
Same
I
here.
always feel overwhelmed.
Let's go through them one by one.
Good idea.
Start with the important ones.
Yes, I'll do that.
Some emails can wait.
Exactly.
Delete the unnecessary ones.
That helps a lot.
I'll reply to urgent emails first.
That's the best way.
I already feel more organized.
Me too.
Emails.
Yes, but we can manage them.
Let's finish this quickly.
All right.
Maybe we should check emails twice a day.
That could help.
Not all the time.
Yes, less distraction.
Good plan.
Let's stay focused.
We'll finish soon.
Yes, almost done.
I already cleared many emails.
Same here. It feels better now.
Project discussion.
How's the project going?
It's going well so far.
Any
A
problems?
few small ones.
Like
Some
what?
delays with the data.
Can we fix that?
Yes, we're working on it.
Good.
Do we still meet the deadline?
I think so.
That's important.
We need to stay on schedule.
Agreed.
Let's keep tracking progress.
Yes.
Communication is key.
Absolutely.
Let's update the team later.
Good plan.
We should also share progress reports.
Yes, every few days.
That will help everyone stay aligned.
I agree.
Let's keep improving.
We're doing well so far.
Yes, let's continue.
Maybe we should have a short meeting tomorrow.
Good idea.
Just to review progress.
That will help us stay on track.
Asking for feedback.
Can I ask for your feedback?
Of course.
What do you think of my work?
It's good, but needs some improvement.
What should I change?
Be more clear in your writing.
Okay.
Anything else?
Add more details.
That makes sense.
I'll work on that.
You're doing well overall.
Thank you.
I want to improve.
That's a great attitude.
Keep practicing.
I will.
Thanks for your help.
Anytime.
Also, check your grammar. Good point.
I'll review it again.
Take your time.
Improvement takes practice.
I understand.
Thanks again.
I'll improve step by step.
Maybe I'll read more examples.
That will help a lot.
I'll try that.